In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compose a new email in Zoho Mail. If you're new to Zoho Mail or simply need a refresher on how to write and send an email using this platform, you're in the right place. We'll walk through each step to make sure you're comfortable with the process, ensuring you can focus on effectively communicating your message. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open your favorite web browser and navigate to the Zoho Mail website. Once you've landed on the home page, log in with your Zoho account credentials. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. This is the central hub where you can manage all your email activities. Now, let's compose a new email. Look towards the top of the screen and you'll see a button labeled New Mail. Go ahead and click on that. Doing so will open up a new email composition window. This is your workspace where you'll draft the email you want to send. Next, you'll need to specify the recipient of your email. In the To field, simply type in the email address of the person you intend to send the message to. If you need to send the email to multiple people, you can add additional addresses separated by commas. There's also an option to include CC and BCC recipients if you need to, which can be useful for keeping others in the loop without making them primary recipients. With the recipients set, it's time to fill in the subject field. This part of your email acts as a headline, letting the recipient know what the email is about. Make it concise but informative, setting the right expectations for what follows in the message body. Moving on to the main content of your email, focus on crafting a clear message. This is where you write the body of the email, conveying all necessary details. Take your time to express your thoughts clearly, and don't forget to proofread. It's important to ensure that your email is free of errors, as they can distract from your message and potentially alter its tone. Zoho Mail offers a no-error feature during your email review. This is an essential step, as it prompts you to double-check for any spelling or grammatical mistakes, ensuring the message is as polished and professional as possible. Finally, after you're satisfied with your email and have checked everything over to ensure accuracy, go ahead and click on the Send button. This will dispatch your email to the specified recipients, completing the process. And there you have it. You've successfully composed and sent an email using Zoho Mail. With these steps, you're well equipped to communicate effectively and professionally via email. Thank you for watching and happy emailing.